Oh yeah, no. Shawty's a freak on the low. She take it all in when she blow. She say I'm in for surprise at the end of the night. I go know she a bad. I tell her say me I know the sorrow. For the bedroom game I be Doro.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. This is my first time purchasing from Rpghair and I'm super impressed. First off, this came with so much goodies, including a wig stand, this cute little pouch, wig caps, an elastic band, bobby pins, scrunchies, banana clips, and a rat tail comb. This is their Kinky straight lace front wig in the natural color. It's 22 inches, 130% density. I did add a widow's peak hairline and it said it would take more time, I think 5 days, but it didn't take long at all. I did have to bleach the knots and they turned pretty quickly, like within 3 to 4 minutes. I didn't feel like tinting the lace, so I just used makeup. Clearly, I just wanted a get up and go kind of wig because I was not doing too much to this, you know? The wig did come pre-plucked, but I did go back in and tweeze the hairline and the part. Now I'm still learning about tweezing, so I didn't put that part in the video because it took me a couple days to kind of get it to where I wanted it to be, but eventually I will get there, y'all, so yeah. I did decide to straighten it just because the ends, in my opinion, look better when they're straight, especially with kinky straight hair. And this hair is a little bit thinner at the ends, and I think it just looks better. Y'all, excuse me while I attack my head for a minute. Y'all know how it goes when your head is freshly braided.
Trust me, man, I know they overhype you. What I'm saying right now, nobody holds a candle. Body soft and he killing me soft.
The only drawback I must say is that it's not as full at the bottom where it hits about the 20 to 22 inch mark. It definitely thins out a bit, but I actually think it looks more natural that way. It kind of adds a little bit of layers and dimension to it that I don't need to add myself. But if you're not into that, then definitely get a higher density. Also, there were quite a few strands of gray hair and other colors throughout the hair, and I was just not in the mood to dye it to a 1B, so I just plucked those out as I saw them. Nothing too crazy, but again, if you're not into that, you can definitely dye it, or, you know, ask them to dye it, whatever floats your boat. Now I'm just going in with my pressed powder in the color Ebony to conceal my edges and my part, and this color literally matches me so perfectly, especially since I got a tan.
Yeah, baby girl, I want to see you in the money, body better killing me. All I can say 2 minutes to get it in the evening too. Baby girl, I want you.
I did add a couple layers in the front to frame my face, and I think that definitely enhanced it like 1000%.
Baby girl,
Cause you so damn fine. Are you so damn dangerous? Killer deal. Are you so damn fine?
I am not big on edges, hence why I barely did anything with them, but honestly, this wig looks so good without them. If you want to add edges, you definitely can. It's definitely a personal preference, but for me, I think it looks fine with my little 2-3 edges that I did. Lastly, I'm going to go in with my Rpghair wax stick to lay down my flyaways, and that is it, guys. And we just take a moment to appreciate the fact that I don't know where this lace begins. Like, I don't know. If somebody can point it out, that'd be great, but not really. Sheesh, tell me where the lace is, y'all. Tell me where the lace is. The best part about this wig, y'all, it was only $122 plus free shipping. Like, what? I was so shook, like, entirely. Like, that's why this wig is so bomb, because it was so cheap and it does what it needs to do. How could you be mad? You can't. You just can't. So that's gonna be it for this video, guys. I've worn this hair for about 2 weeks and everyone thinks it's my actual hair. Kinky straight legit is my new favorite texture. I can't wait to try out different styles like wand curls, bantu knots, etc, etc. If you guys have any suggestions on a style that I should try, definitely leave that below. Let me know if you guys want a video of me styling this hair, because I can definitely do that for y'all. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe, thumbs this video up, comment your thoughts below, and share this with your friends. See you in my next video. Bye!